Imagine stepping into a world where every shoe tells a story, crafted with precision and passion. Welcome to the journey of how shoes are made. In the golden age of handmade footwear, shoemakers were the unsung heroes, crafting each pair from start to finish. Today, the process has evolved, but the love for handmade shoes remains. Modern shoemaking uses a nesting manufacturing process, where each department plays a crucial role in bringing a shoe to life. From the initial design to the final polish, every step is a testament to craftsmanship. But how exactly is a pair of shoes made? It all begins with the design team. These creative visionaries transform sketches into technical blueprints, ensuring the shoe looks good and performs well. Next, the shoe last department takes over. A last, a mold that emulates a foot, is created to give the shoe its shape. This step is crucial for ensuring a perfect fit. The pieces of high-quality leather are then cut and stamped. This process marks where eyelets, perforations, and seams will be, setting the stage for the shoe's assembly. The pieces are sent to the sewing department, where they are meticulously stitched together. This is where the shoe starts to take form. In the die assembly department, the shoe is assembled. Techniques like Goodyear welting or the Blake method are used, each with its own unique benefits. Goodyear welting, dating back to 1872, involves stitching a welt to the insole and lining, creating a durable and weather-resistant shoe. The Blake method, favoured in mainland Europe, offers a more flexible and comfortable shoe, with a tighter bond between the upper and outsole. With the shoe structure in place, it's time for the insoles and decoration. A flexible filler layer, usually cork, is added for comfort and movement. The insole is then glued and stitched to the welt, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. The shoe is now taking shape, but still needs some finishing touches. Ornamental perforations, seam holes, and other details are carefully addressed. The shoe is ironed, dyed, and polished to perfection. The heel and outsole edges are abraded, and the visible part of the welt is decorated. The double seam is compacted, and the heel and tips of the sole are dyed. A half insole with the brand's logo is inserted, and the shoe is meticulously cleaned. It's almost ready to meet its new owner. The final stop is the shoe room, where each pair receives a loving caress. This is where the shoes are polished until they gleam and, if needed, laced up. Every shoe undergoes a thorough final quality check, ensuring it meets the highest standards before being packaged and shipped. From the design table to your feet, each step in the shoemaking process is a labor of love, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. So the next time you slip on a pair of handmade shoes, remember the journey they took to get to you. It's a story of tradition, innovation, and passion. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Step into quality, step into craftsmanship. Wear your story with pride.